Hey crypto family, so if you check out my previous video, I mentioned some more technical reasons why Bitcoin rose today, but I'm going to go over a couple news articles that I think helped it rise. So one of the first articles that recently just came out, it says incoming Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon more keen on Bitcoin than predecessor. So basically, Goldman Sachs just got a new CEO. Lloyd Blankfein was the previous CEO, but he will be stepping down, and he actually began his tenure in 2006, so he's been with the company for a while. But this new CEO, Mr. Solomon, is actually more bullish on crypto than Lloyd Blankfein was. So it says, Mr. Solomon is not the usual investment banker, and investors expect him to shake up business as usual. According to the New York Times, he works as a DJ in his free time, specializing in electronic dance music. So this statement alone, it tells you that he's more kind of with the times, and he's more keen on exploring new areas and staying current with what's hot. So, I mean, seeing that he's a DJ, it already tells you, okay, yeah, he may be more apt to the crypto space and getting along with people in that area. It says Solomon had stated that Goldman must evolve its business and adapt to the environment if it is to stay competitive. Mr. Blankfein, the exiting CEO, was criticized before being slow to adapt to the business. So in that, Goldman still smashed expectations, being in profits by 40% in Q2 alone. But it says Solomon showed interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency investments. The exiting CEO, Mr. Blankfein's interest in cryptocurrency has warmed through his tenure. And then it talks about how Lloyd Blankfein said on June 21st that it's arrogant to think cryptocurrency won't be successful. But Goldman Sachs right now, they're in the crypto space with companies such as Circle. And then it says, based on Solomon's comments, however, it's safe to assume that the firm's bullishness towards crypto and its technology will stay strong. So Goldman Sachs is one of the biggest investment bankers around. For them to have a new CEO who's even more bullish on crypto than Lloyd Blankfein, the previous CEO, is incredible to say the least, because they're already setting up a cryptocurrency trading desk that it mentions, and they're already pushing to have regulatory acceptance for cryptocurrency. So again, this is some great news, and one that I think just fuels the fire for Bitcoin's rally. Now, second article I want to cover, it says world's first bank-backed crypto exchange finally open to the public. So there's a Japanese financial giant, SBI Holdings, formally launched its in-house crypto trading platform dubbed VC Trade last month. And it says it was only available to a group of selected users who pre-registered with the platform last October. It says in an announcement released on Tuesday, SBI Holdings said the service is now fully open for users aged from 20 to 70 who reside in Japan. However, a registration service for corporate customers has not yet been made available. So you can imagine whenever it's available for corporate customers, then that's going to be another spike and another inflow of volume. And then it talks about how right now they're accepting XRP, yen settlements, as well as Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. And this is a big launch because it comes after 2 years after SBI Holdings first announced it would build the exchange in October 2016. With the platform receiving an operating license from Japan's financial watchdog. So again, this is amazing that they're finally opening the world's first bank-backed crypto exchange, because again, you get all those investors that are dealing with that bank, as well as some more reputation for cryptocurrencies as a legitimate currency. So I thought this was huge, and just one more reason why Japan is at the forefront of cryptocurrency adoption. Last but not least is an article by CoinDesk, and it says MasterCard wins patent for speeding up crypto payments. Now, this article, I'm not 100%, agreeing with it, saying it's a good thing, but at the end of the day, it's exposure for cryptocurrencies. So basically what MasterCard's doing is they're becoming the middleman for cryptocurrency payments to businesses. So basically it says MasterCard won a US patent for a method of speeding up cryptocurrency payments, and explains through cryptocurrencies have seen an increased usage over traditional fiat currencies by consumers who value anonymity and security. The wide disparity in payment processing times between the two classes of assets puts cryptocurrency at a disadvantage. So this talk about the slow transaction times of cryptocurrencies. While a lot of cryptocurrencies aren't slow, they mention here 10-minute wait times, and actually Storecoin, which is a cryptocurrency I'm very bullish on, I believe they're going to be the forefront for accepting payments through businesses, but I'll go over that in another video. You can check out my previous videos where I talk about Storecoin. But basically, MasterCard says to reduce these transaction times, the company would be offering a new type of user account able to transact in cryptocurrencies but pegged to a fiat currency. This account would link a series of profiles able to identify a user's fiat currency amount, a blockchain currency amount, an account identifier, and an address. And they say how they're also able to evaluate the likelihood of fraud and access the risk for blockchain transactions using existing fraud and risk algorithms and information that's available to the payment networks. So where it's unavailable for use in blockchain networks. So again, this, I mean, while it's good because it gives, awareness for cryptocurrencies, the fact that it's makes cryptocurrencies not a peer-to-peer transaction, whereas MasterCard is the middleman, is kind of iffy, so it's kind of having more control and trying to twist it to make it, more of a good thing than it may be. But nonetheless, they are working with cryptocurrencies, and I believe this will get more exposure for Bitcoin and the others. So just something I want to cover today. Again, awesome day today with the whole rally. It seems like right now we're hovering around that $7,300 level, probably consolidate a little bit before the next leg up. But again, always set your stops and trade accordingly. So with that, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions. And until next time, thanks for watching.